Hey cookies, Assalamu Aalikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today gonna share a quick and delicious kid snack recipe, that is potato cheese pops, which is very easy to make and enjoy as an evening snack with tea or coffee. So without any further delay, let's get into our video by looking into the ingredients needed for our recipe. Please keep watching. So these are the ingredients needed for our recipe, that is 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 1 cup onions chopped, half cup mozzarella cheese, 2 teaspoons of maida, 2 teaspoons cornflour, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of chili flake, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and curry leaves and coriander leaves chopped, salt to taste. So let's start the preparation. Take a bowl and add the mashed potatoes, add 2 teaspoons of maida, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 2 teaspoons of chili flake, 1 cup of onions chopped, curry leaves chopped, coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and grate some mozzarella cheese. This comes to half cup. Then add the required amount of salt for our recipe. Now mix well all the ingredients. With the help of your palm, knead well and mix all the ingredients together. Then add breadcrumbs gradually and mix until it forms a perfect dough texture. Now refrigerate this mixture for 15 minutes to get a perfect texture and shape. After 15 minutes, take it out from refrigerator. Now the moistness would have been gone and it takes a perfect shape. Take a plate, take a small portion of dough and roll it into small balls this way and keep it on the plate. Now prepare the rest the same way. Now all the balls have been prepared. Let's start frying it. Heat a kadai and add the required amount of oil for deep frying the balls. When the oil is hot, add the balls one by one each into the kadai and fry this in low to medium flame. Keep on rotating it with the help of a stick or a spoon so that it cooks on all the sides evenly. When the sizzling is down and becomes golden brown in color, remove it from the oil. Now your delicious potato cheese pops are ready. Transfer it into a paper towel. Start frying the rest of the balls in the same way in low to medium flame. Serve it hot for kids with sauce. I serve myself with a hot cup of coffee. It really tasted well. Even you try this recipe, you will definitely love it. And yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Meet you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay blessed.